Let's make this delicious goat meat stew. Inexpensive with few ingredients and you're good to go. This was delicious. Pairing this with rice or cooked yam, it will take you to heaven. Let's get started. In my blender, I added in onion, habanero pepper, garlic, ginger. I then added in water, covered it, and then blended until it was almost smooth. To my goat meat, I added in goat meat seasoning, vegetable seasoning, salt, grains of salam, cloves, and then rosemary, fresh rosemary. So I added in the blended onion mix, not all of them, half of it, and then I stir, I mix till well combined, and then I let this cook for at least 30 to 45 minutes. Or the goat meat is tender enough. So go ahead, stir it, let it steam for at least 10 minutes for you to check if the salt, everything is on point before covering it, and then let it cook for at least 30 to 45 minutes. In the meantime, you can go ahead and prepare your tomato sauce and then keep it aside. So whilst the meat is cooking, your tomato puree too is also cooking. So at the end, when the meat is ready, it makes it easier for you to for it to get ready. When the goat meat is ready, all you have to do is preheat your oil and fry these bad boys. Don't over fry it. For me, I prefer mine a little bit soft. You do not want a tough meat to chew. So if you want it that hard, you can go ahead, but I prefer it very soft. So I didn't fry it that long, and it was delicious. It was amazing. So remove it from the oil once it's done frying, and then add in the rest of the blended onion mix. Stir it for about 2 minutes. Add in tomato paste. Stir it till well combined, and add in the cooked tomatoes or the steamed tomatoes, and you're good to go. This is very simple. It is easy, and I hope you're going to try it because you will love it. It turned out delicious. So once the tomatoes is added, I'll go ahead with my seasoning, which is spice and herbs all-purpose seasoning. I'll leave a link in the description box or in the comment section if you're interested. The spices are natural and it smells good. So I added in my stew seasoning, salt, and vegetable seasoning. That was all. You can use any seasoning of your choice. I then stirred, and I let this cook for at least from 7 to 10 minutes more before going in with my fried meat. And that's it, guys. It's simple, it is easy, and it is delicious. So at this point, you want to taste if the salt is for your liking, and then go ahead and add in your vegetables. So I went in by adding in more onion, yellow bell pepper, and some spring onions. That was it. It was simple but delicious. Very delicious, and I hope you try it because this is amazing. I added in fresh rosemary again to make it more like the aroma. It was all over my house, guys. Try it and let me know how it's come out. We have varieties, different ways of cooking, of preparing your stews, but sometimes it's good to learn from each other and then at least change the taste of your stew. So this is it, guys. This is delicious, and I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. I know you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, giving it a share and comment. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow my page, and guys, just pairing this with rice was The next day I ate this with cooked yam, and it was delicious. Try it and let me know. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you and stay blessed.